Your body is aging faster in space than on Earth, and astronauts can feel it. Without gravity, muscles shrink, bones weaken, and eyesight changes rapidly. Space literally rewires the human body. Imagine living there for years. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts today. A single teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh billions of tons on Earth. The gravity is so extreme it crushes atoms themselves. This isn't science fiction. It's real physics happening right now in space. Like and subscribe for more cosmic discoveries you've never heard. Black holes don't suck everything like a vacuum, but they bend reality itself. Time slows, space twists, and light disappears at the edge. One wrong move, and the universe hides you forever. Like and subscribe for more space mysteries that challenge human understanding daily today. There are planets where it rains diamonds, not water. Extreme pressure turns carbon into sparkling stones falling from the sky. Imagine standing beneath that storm. Space is stranger than fiction. Like and subscribe for more unbelievable universe facts that scientists keep discovering every year somewhere. Mars once had rivers, lakes, and possibly oceans like Earth. Evidence shows water shaped its surface long ago. If life existed there, traces may still remain. The red planet hides secrets. Like and subscribe for more space exploration stories scientists are racing to uncover today. There are rogue planets drifting alone through space with no star. They wander endlessly in darkness, frozen and invisible. The universe is full of lonely worlds we may never see. Like and subscribe for more hidden space wonders lurking beyond our strongest telescopes right now. The largest volcano in the solar system is not on Earth. Olympus Mons on Mars is 3 times taller than Everest. It rewrites what mountains can be. Space makes Earth feel small. Like and subscribe for more solar system facts that change how you see. Dark matter holds galaxies together, yet we cannot see it. Without it, stars would fly apart. Most of the universe is invisible and unknown. Reality is stranger than imagination. Like and subscribe for more deep space knowledge that challenges everything we think we know about. One day on Venus is longer than an entire year on Venus. The planet spins so slowly the sun crawls across its sky. Time behaves strangely beyond Earth. Space rewrites the rules we assume are universal. Like and subscribe for more cosmic mind benders out there. There are storms on Jupiter larger than Earth that have raged for centuries. The Great Red Spot is a planetary hurricane that never rests. Space shows weather without limits. Imagine standing beneath clouds that could swallow worlds. Like and subscribe for more of space science. Most of the universe is missing, and scientists know it. Dark energy is accelerating cosmic expansion, tearing galaxies apart faster over time. Something invisible controls everything. Space is not stable. It's changing dramatically right now. Like and subscribe for more universe mysteries we cannot see.